Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Deal Machine account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you export your lead list from Deal Machine? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to export your leads from Deal Machine anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a wholesale business, you know that sometimes you're going to have virtual assistants working with you, so you need to give them a list to dial or to text message. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Deal Machine account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already pulled up my Deal Machine account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and export a lead list, first you have to build a list inside of Deal Machine. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But to give you a quick rundown, basically you're just going to look for properties in a certain area. So let me go ahead and just type in a zip code. Okay, I'm going to use this zip code and then I'm going to use this quick filter right here and I'll just choose pre-foreclosures for the purpose of this video. Okay, so if you look down here, it's showing 25 properties that fit the parameters that I just typed in quickly. And then you're just going to click right here, build list. Okay, now it's building. Once the list has been built, now you can go ahead and export those leads. You're going to go up here to your leads button on the top left. So once you have added in those leads, they're going to show up here under all leads. The other list that we just built, it's still processing. I have this list right here. And in order to export these leads, what you're going to do is here on the left, you can go ahead and choose all by clicking on this button. And you can see you're going to see a check mark next to all of the properties. However, you can individually check one by one if you're just going to export a certain portion of these. Okay, so once you've chosen all the leads that you want to export from this lead list, over here on the right, you're going to click on lead actions. Once you click on lead actions, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and then click here, export leads. Once you click there, these leads would be exported into a Excel spreadsheet file. So that way you can upload them directly into your dialer, or you can go ahead and transfer them on to your virtual assistant. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to export a lead list from your Deal Machine account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.